understand how we rolled up straight into man. Not the plan, chain him up, keep him close, no blame for us. We don't care how your vixens feel. Get a touch, lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. I'm kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. A little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. See my girl be shine. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip.
What's good? It's your girl Cherish. Cherish, 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 A. Cherish, 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 A.
Ain't no stopping when you poppin'.
And I'm back with another video. So today, I got this cool brush. It's giving me hope. Giving me hope because this hair right here, this hair right here. So I got this little detangling brush. It just came in the mail. This is not sponsored. I bought it myself. And I got my favorite color, red. But before we get into this video, go ahead and subscribe and like this video. Below if you have this before, if you used it and if you liked it. So it didn't come in nothing cute. And I'm excited. This is how it look. So do I do that? Do I separate them or what? Let's hope this works on this hair. Lord have mercy. I don't know what this is for. I don't know. But wait. Oh, hold up. Is it to keep it in place? Let me use my brain. Okay, let's see what it's about. I'll be right back.
Alright, so let's get into the video. Of course, I'm using my Ivy brand. It's my favorite brand to use. So I'm going to use conditioner, and deep conditioner, and shampoo. And I also like to use Tresemme conditioner too. So, I just took my hair down and I'm finna wet it, make sure it's super wet because my hair is so dry. And I just make sure that the soap is all over my hair. So, yes. And I like to scrub my scalp with my nails, to make sure all the soap is out and to stimulate my hair follicles, So I'm using the brush and it's really kind of tough. So I had to add extra conditioner because it wasn't really working for me. So it worked for the most part, but in the middle and the back of my hair, which is the nappiest part of my hair, it wasn't really working. So I had to add more conditioner. I'm like, geez, little naps and kinks, but it was cool. Yeah, so right now I'm still combing it out. As you can see, it's little knots back there. Okay, sis, she coming together. It's coming through. It's coming through. Now, lovelies, I usually use a weave brush. That's what I call it, a weave brush. I usually use a weave brush, and it don't take me this long. It's taking me longer than usual to comb out my hair. But I might just stick with the weave brush, unless I'm doing this brush wrong or something. It got a little sheddage. Not too much. Okay, so I'm gonna get back in there and wash this deep conditioner out. Hopefully I can use this brush without the conditioner because my hair, it really turns into a different type of texture, like 3B, 3C type of hair. So we'll see what it does. Yeah, and I'm getting a little breakage, but it's not, too bad. Hold on, sis. It's coming through. Yes. You know what? Now this thing is kind of growing on me. It's kind of growing on me because it's making my hair really cool. I love it. Wait a minute. It's going through without conditioner. Okay. So I might have to throw my weave brush in the trash and use this. This is okay. I got a little something in my ear. But yeah, I might have to throw it away because this is wow. Yes, sis, it's working. It's working on my hair without conditioner. So I am just amazed by how good this is. Like, it's combing through my hair, and my hair, when it's curly, it gets hard to comb through. So I'm really happy about this. I mean, I think everybody should try it if they got curly hair. It don't hurt but to try. But you know, oh, I look good. Okay. So anyways, yes, my curls is popping. Like, I like it. I really like it. Alright, so comment below if you think it worked on my hair. Well, you've seen the video. You've seen what it, did. But it's been real. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you on the next video. Oh yeah, so I just put my hair up a little bit. And I just wanted to see, like, yes, it's coming straight through. Like, I love it. But yeah, alright, lovelies, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.